Assalamu alaikum, hope you are doing good today. My topic is salt mines, where you can say the pink gold of Pakistan. Imagine a place where the very walls glow with a soft, rose gold hue, where the air you breathe is infused with microscopic particles of one of the Earth's purest minerals. A place that is not just a mine, but a subterranean cathedral of crystal, a testament to geological history, and a cornerstone of a nation's economy. Today, we embark on a journey to one of Pakistan's most remarkable natural treasures, salt mine, the source of the world-famous Himalayan pink salt. Our story begins not decades, but hundreds of millions of years ago in the Precambrian era. The region we now call the Salt Range in Punjab, Pakistan, was covered by a vast shallow sea. As tectonic plates shifted and the Himalayas began their monumental rise, the sea evaporated, leaving behind a colossal deposit of crystallized salt. Over eons, this salt was compressed and infused with trace minerals iron oxide, potassium, magnesium, and calcium, which gifted it its characteristic blush pink color and its unique health-enhancing properties. The discovery of this deposit is steeped in legend. While some accounts date mining back to the era of Alexander the Great's troops in 326 BC, the modern history of the mine is credited to the Mughal Empire and, later, its formal development under Dr. H. Worth, a British mining engineer in the 1870s. It was he who designed the systematic tunnel system that forms the backbone of the mine to this day. So let me tell you what makes the salt mine so extraordinary. First, its scale. Is the world's second largest salt mine. It's a sprawling labyrinth stretching over 110 square kilometers, with over 40 kilometers of tunnels, and operating on 17 levels. The total estimated reserves are a staggering 6.7 billion tons. To put that in perspective, at current production rates, this single mine could supply the world for centuries to come. But its grandeur isn't just in its size, it's in its beauty. The Pakistan Mineral Development Corporation, which manages the mine, has masterfully transformed sections of it into a breathtaking tourist attraction. Visitors can walk through tunnels illuminated to highlight the salt's natural pink and orange veins. They can marvel at iconic structures built entirely from salt bricks, a miniature, fully lit Badshahi Mosque, a pulsating Shishar Chowk, a breathtaking assembly hall with salt crystal chandeliers, and even a post office, believed to be the only one of its kind in the world, deep inside a mine. Perhaps the most famous attraction is the Pul Sarat, a 75-meter-long salt bridge built over a briny pond, glowing ethereally under the lights. Beyond the tourism, the primary product is, of course, the salt itself. But this is not just common table salt. Himalayan pink salt is marketed globally as a healthier, more natural alternative. Its proponents cite benefits including containing over 80 trace minerals and elements, helping to regulate the body's water content and pH balance, aiding in respiratory health, leading to the creation of salt therapy spas or halotherapy centers around the world, which replicate the microclimate of the salt mines. The economic impact is profound. From the raw, food-grade crystalline salt used in cooking, to beautifully crafted salt lamps that are said to purify the air by emitting negative ions, to salt blocks used for serving and cooking, pink gold has become a major export commodity for Pakistan. It supports thousands of jobs, from the miners who extract it with a careful, room and pillar method to preserve the mine's structure, to the artisans who polish and shape it into countless products for the global market. However, with great treasure comes great responsibility. There are challenges, including the need for sustainable mining practices to ensure this resource lasts for generations, and combating the proliferation of counterfeit pink salt in the international market. In conclusion, the salt mine is far more than a hole in the ground. It is a palimpsest of history, recording the Earth's shifts in its crystalline layers. It is an engine of the economy, providing livelihoods and foreign exchange. It is a sanctuary of wellness, promoting health across the globe. And it is a monument to human ingenuity, where the functional and the fantastical coexist. It stands as a vibrant, glowing symbol of Pakistan's rich natural heritage, a hidden, pink world waiting to be discovered. Hope you like the topic. Before leaving, don't forget to hit the subscribe button for more upcoming videos.